Ever sat in a quiet room and your stomach growls like it's trying to talk? It's not just hunger. Here's what's actually going on. That growling sound? It's called borborygmi. Yeah, it even sounds weird. Your stomach and intestines are always moving, pushing food and gas through the digestive tract. When your stomach's empty, there's just air and juices sloshing around, which makes the sound way louder. But here's the kicker. Your stomach growls all day. Not just when you're hungry. You just don't hear it over the noise of your daily life. So next time your stomach speaks up in a quiet room, don't be embarrassed. It's just doing its job.